Hey everybody, this is Louie with Sharp Auto Body, and today I wanted to talk about should you take your car to a dealership or should you take it to an independent repair shop? So there's two parts to this question. One of them is it mechanical repairs or is it collision repair? Now, I'm going to cover the mechanical repair side of this thing. And then in my next video, I'm going to cover the body shop side of this thing. So, should you take your car to a dealership or should you take it to an independent repair shop? Great question. My opinion is you should take it to an independent repair shop. I will talk in another video on how to find a really great, not a good, but a great independent repair shop. But here's what you want to know these days. Dealerships are busy making their money in the back end, meaning repairs, not the front end. So they don't make very much money selling cars anymore. They sell a lot of stuff, and I'm also going to do a video about that kind of stuff, but they upsell warranties, rust-through protection, paint protection, bug guards, undercoating, all that kind of good stuff. They're not making money selling cars anymore because that's become very competitive. What they do make money is on the back end, which is their repair shop or the service center. But if you'll notice, and you can call a couple of dealerships, you don't need to take my word for it, the dollar amount that they charge per hour is usually somewhere between $30 to $50 an hour higher than an independent repair shop. And in 1975, they passed the Moss-Magnuson Act, which says that you can get your car repaired wherever you want without violating or voiding the manufacturer's warranty. So that's right. You can get your car repaired at an independent repair shop and it will still maintain the manufacturer's warranty. And like I said, you will save hundreds and hundreds of dollars because they're charging you a lot more money per hour. They're also going to want to charge you for OEM parts at the dealership, where at an independent repair shop, they can quote you for aftermarket or rebuilt parts, again, saving you a fair amount of money. So if you're questioning whether you should get your car repaired at a dealership or an independent repair shop, my suggestion is always go to an independent repair shop, a great one. I'll teach you in a video coming up how to find a great repair shop for your vehicle. But for now, that's my advice for today. I hope you get some value out of it. This is Louie at Sharp Auto Body. We'll talk to you soon.